So right now we're on our way to the post office. I'm with my sister, with Lupe. Say hi, Lupe.
Hi guys.
We're wearing our jackets because like it rained today, so yeah.
And it's cold.
Yeah, so it's
like
cold.
50 degrees.
It's really cold, yeah. In California. So yeah, I'm just gonna go drop off this package, and then Lupita has a question for the post office lady. And yeah, so she'll tell you guys the answer. Right, Lupe? You're gonna get the info?
Yeah.
Because we tried to search Google yesterday, but we didn't get the answer. Yeah, she's gonna give you the 411.
It's like vague. It's so vague, the answers that are on online. It doesn't even make sense. Like, you're like, can I or not?
Okay, so she'll tell you guys after we're done in the post office. I'm just gonna go and drop my package in the little thing, and then she'll go ask. We don't know if it's packed, but we were like in a rush again, so we gotta make it on time. Even though it's like right down the street, we'll make it on time. But yeah, guys, I'll show you guys like the way, because it rained and it looks nice. Clear skies, you know. Now I feel like the weather girl, telling you guys clear skies. But yeah, we're on our way. I'll show you guys the way. Office.
There? Okay, so I needed to know which type of box to use for a priority mail return service. So he said you cannot use the priority mail flat rate boxes. You just have to use the one that says priority mail. And he gave me one that will fit the item that I'm returning. Yeah, if you have questions, go to your local post office.
Go.
Okay, so this is a label that was sent to me by the seller. So it has priority mail return service. So with this, you're able to return your item to them and they pay for it. So you just go ahead and put it in your box that you have.
And what are you returning, Lupe?
Or a poly mailer. I'm returning a blanket.
From where?
That was gifted from my sister Isabel, behind the camera right here.
And why?
I'm returning it because I washed it and it still keeps like shedding fur. So we did try to clean it up. I washed it like 3 times and it just kept shedding more and more. So we just decided to return it, and she's gonna give me another one, which I'm excited because
probably not a cow one.
Oh, probably not a fur one. It's gonna be
maybe a cow one if you're lucky.
Oh, I thought you said cat.
Oh.
Like a cat. It was cow. So it's gonna be one that doesn't shed like that. It'll be like a fleece one or a flannel blanket. So I don't know what she's gonna get me, but
you're looking
I'll be grateful
real forward
either way because I'm cold that night and I need another blanket.
And apparently it rained, so you're gonna need a blanket.
So now we gotta leave the heater on all night.
Okay, so where are we headed now?
We are gonna go to Albertsons because we love their French bread and we want to make some hot chocolate with this weather. And yeah, I don't know what else we're gonna do. I might work later, but yeah.
So we're leaving the post office now. Feel accomplished. I feel accomplished every time I drop off a package. So I wanted to talk about the blanket shedding. Like, I got it for like around like $30. I thought it wasn't gonna shed, but it did end up shedding. And like, I literally still have like the fur on my leggings right now, so it was shedding like crazy. I'm gonna put a picture right here. So we did not know what else to do, so I was just like, let me see if I could get a return, because what are we gonna do with the shedding blanket? Like, we're like covered in fur. Like, my whole family was covered in fur already, so
I felt like I had fur up my nose and on my throat.
So make sure that you guys check the reviews before you guys purchase anything, because I was not gonna recommend you guys like the blanket if it's not good. So and Lupita wanted to say some other stuff. What did you want to say?
To eat. We'll see.
To eat?
I said, well, yeah, Maria. To check the reviews, and sometimes just because it costs more doesn't mean that it's gonna be good.
Okay. Gotta pay like over 100 for a good blanket. Nah,
No,
JK.
You can find good ones for
Yeah.
the same amount.
I was thinking of just like going to Target and getting her one there. Just like a beige one. That would be cute. A beige one, right?
No.
What color do you want then? There's only basic colors.
Then go to another store.
There's no vaca ones.
Then don't go to Target. Go to somewhere else.
Okay, and I was also looking at a website too. I'll probably order off another website, not eBay. They have like a they have like a whole line of blankets and comforters. So I'm gonna see what I find. But for now, guys, I'm gonna show you guys the way. It looks so beautiful, like when it rains right here in Bakersfield. So I'm gonna show you guys how it looks. A little background music, Lupe.
No, se va.
Lupita's background music.
No copyright, because it's my voice.
For sure, for sure. Guaranteed no copyright. ¿No te quieres cantar otra? You know any more? The Dame.
I don't really know all of it.
You only know the Bebé Dame.
Quiero besarte todos los días. I don't know. Hacerte como I don't know.
Lupita Records coming soon.
I love it. Nah, just like
Underground right here.
oh shit. You saw that?
No. What was it? Ay, me espantaste con
The truck was like coming this way.
Well, you're over here with your silence, and I'm waiting for it. I'm like, what? What did
no
you see?
wipers, right?
Did you see a ghost or what? Fucking a dog?
I know there's
A dead dog or what?
I know you've seen a ghost here before, but no, it's deep.
I know Bakersfield be haunted, low-key. That's what they say. I'm really looking forward to this place right here.
Oh yeah.
The California Burger. It hasn't opened yet. Like, don't think that it's abandoned, guys, but it's like
They're
gonna be open soon.
remodeling it and adding stuff to it. It used to be a bank.
That way we don't have to go to like In-N-Out all the way to In-N-Out. We could just come right here down the street. Yeah.
I never imagined they were gonna make a burger place right there, cause it was a bank.
I felt like we needed a more burger place.
But I get it, cause it has a drive-through, so it already has a drive-through and everything.
For real, huh?
And it's a good spot. It passes through the 99 route, so that's good.
So guys, we're gonna go ahead and go to Home Depot first, because we need to get a box, because we need to return my little sister's vanity because it came out defective. It actually broke. My sister didn't even sit on it, and it just broke. Like the leg of the stool, it broke, and then like the mirror, it broke too. So
Not the mirror,
the mirror broke too.
it didn't break. The mirror didn't
You broke
break.
it.
No, the mirror didn't break. It came off of the vanity where you screw it in with the wood part. It came off, so it broke, but not the mirror. Like it
Okay.
didn't shatter to pieces.
The mirror didn't broke. Didn't broke. Okay, so Lupita actually broke it.
I didn't break it.
Okay, so how do I explain it?
Okay, I was playing with Karen, and she had like a scarf, and I was holding it, and she was like running around, and she ended up hitting it like with the scarf. So when she hit it, like she barely even hit it, and it just boom, it just flipped over and it hit the wall, and then the mirror, like it just popped off like from the vanity table.
So it's like if my desk, like, cause I have like a wood desk in my room, it's like if I barely like pushed it a little bit and like it broke, like if the leg broke. So that's how it happened basically. Cause I was like, oh damn, like how hard were you guys like playing, because it, like the thing took off. So
yeah. And then I grabbed
but it was defective too, so we're like,
I grabbed the piece that came off, and I literally could crumble it in my hand. It was like cardboard or something. It wasn't wood. I don't know what it was made with, but
I don't want to lie. Obviously, like I was gonna link it in my storefront, in my Amazon storefront, for you guys, but I did not. Like, I only want to recommend products that are good and that I know are good and they're durable. So I kind of waited on the vanity, and I was like, ugh, like I don't know about that vanity. Not that I jinxed it or anything. Not that I did brujeria or whatever. Like le hice ojo, because my family was like, oh, one of my family members was like, oh, le hicieron ojo en el YouTube. But no, no guys, like it just fell apart. And Lupita kind of, you know, bumped it a little bit and it broke. So it wasn't sturdy as we thought. It wasn't as sturdy as we thought. So we gotta do the work and ship it back. But good thing they take returns, okay? So we're still on our way because we decided to go to like over here by Gosford. So it's a little bit more farther. So yeah, we're on our way. I'll show you guys the way. Gotta record because we don't know when we'll be outside again. Nah.
Are you serious?
JK.
That's why I felt like that.
Yeah.
Who else has been trapped in their house these past days?
For real.
Not trapped, but
Just inside, not going out. We're here.
all in the back. I love it here.
A lot of options or what?
Walmart.
Walmart doesn't even have boxes. Choose the biggest one so we can have extra room.
Reminds me of IKEA.
We don't work there no more.
I know. It was 68 by 39 by 3.8.
Oh, push it. It's because it says push right there. I don't know why I said push.
I think it'll fit in here.
Is there a bigger one? Last time I got the extra large because I had to ship. I forgot what I had to ship, but it was something big.
Whoa. Okay.
I think they're like about the same.
I think this one's, yeah. This
Oh,
one's
that's the one that I got last time.
for the printer?
Yeah.
They look the same, honestly.
Where's the dimensions?
21 by 24 by 20. Isn't it the same box?
I don't know. Could be. It's like $4.
It's the same box.
Oh yeah. All right, get that one. It's the same thing.
Wait.
The XL. The XL should be fine. Well, this is heavy duty. So this one, is that one heavy duty too?
This is extra large.
Oh, this one's for materials, like the vanity thing.
This one's,
The other one's just regular.
yeah, here, show it.
So how much was it?
It's
It was like $7.
$7.56.
Those boxes used to be like $4.98, $4.98. Last time I got one, it was like $4.98. We gotta get to the car because it's starting to rain again. Yeah, inflation.
Use the box. Just kidding, you can't get wet.
So we just got out of Home Depot and we're on our way to McDonald's because I have to get something to eat. Because I'm already hungry. Right, Lupe?
Yeah.
So,
Every 5 minutes.
every actually 5 hours or 3, I get hungry, like a normal person does. So yeah, we're gonna go to McDonald's real quick before we go to Albertsons. Their license plate, Lupe?
Mm-hmm.
Lupe seen it first.
Evil.
We're right here at McDonald's.
Did you get the app open?
No, you open the app.
You up.
Open the app. Ba-da-ba-ba-ba. Nah.
Remember, the bocina is right here.
The bocina's right
Last
here.
time I passed the speaker, I was like, wait, where do I order? And the girl's like,
The girl don't even hear you.
yelling at me. Nah, just kidding. That was my fault. I passed it. I wish I knew.
Oh, you have the light on. So it's like 5, but it's already dark. We had to turn on the light, like, to the car. It gets dark early. Excuse me, guys. I barely drink water. We're gonna eat the McChicken, and then we're gonna go ahead and go to Albertsons. It's like right here. It's like in the same, almost in the same parking lot. Here, Lupe.
McChicken.
Hey, wait. Dropping food already. So we're gonna go ahead and eat, and then we'll head to Albertsons. We're gonna eat off camera.
Remember, if you haven't ate, go eat.
Yeah, go eat.
There?
Yeah.
I got a oat creamer for me because I'm allergic to milk. Not like deathly allergic, but I'm allergic to some stuff. And then I got a oat milk and then fresh French bread.
Fresh bread. We gotta go already to make the hot chocolate.
Oh yeah.